If you're having trouble because CapCut says it couldn't sign you in, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that usually solve the problem fast. We'll use the QR code bypass method, check your network and security settings, and clear the PC app cache if needed. These steps are beginner-friendly, and they can help you get back into CapCut without wasting time. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes and easy how-to guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, let's try the QR code bypass method. This is one of the easiest ways to get around a sign-in issue, especially when the normal login screen is refusing to work. Start by opening the CapCut mobile app on your phone and make sure you are already fully logged in there. This is important because the phone app needs to be signed in before it can help connect your PC login. Once you've confirmed that, open CapCut on your computer and click Sign In. Instead of using the regular sign-in method, choose Use QR code. Now grab your phone and go to the Profile or Me tab inside the mobile app. In the top right corner, you should see a scanner icon. Tap that icon and use your phone to scan the QR code that's showing on your PC screen. After scanning, wait a few moments for CapCut to authenticate the login. In many cases, this alone fixes the couldn't sign in issue and gets you straight into your account. If that doesn't work, the next thing to check is your network and security settings. CapCut can sometimes block or fail to load properly if you're using a VPN or proxy. So if you have a VPN turned on, disable it completely and try signing in again. Even if your internet seems fine, the VPN may be changing your connection in a way that CapCut doesn't like. After turning it off, restart the sign-in process and see if the issue is resolved. Sometimes just switching back to your normal connection is enough to let the app connect properly. If you're still stuck, move on to the PC app cache. Over time, cached files can become corrupted or cause login problems inside the desktop app. To clear it, open CapCut on your PC and go to Settings. Look for cache size and clear it from there. This removes temporary files that may be interfering with the sign-in process and gives the app a clean start. After clearing the cache, close CapCut fully, reopen it, and try signing in again. At this point, one of these three fixes usually solves the problem. Use the QR code method, turn off VPNs or proxies, and clear the PC app cache. If CapCut still won't sign you in after that, it may be worth checking for updates or restarting your device, but in most cases the steps I showed you will get you back in quickly. Hopefully this video helped you fix the couldn't sign in issue on CapCut. If it did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.